Alright, we're here with standout reggae boy under 17, Taywayne Lynch. First of all, very good game today. Speak to us about how you feel about yours and your team performance.
Well, it was a great performance. We just make up minds that I go out there and just play football. It was a great performance.
You're a very vocal goalkeeper, first and foremost, and I want to commend you on that. What is it that allows you to be as confident and as vocal?
Well, I play with big men, so them teach me how to play. So I talk more when I'm playing with my age group, so it's easier.
Alright, so we would have our channel covers schoolboy football. We weren't very familiar with it. Why isn't it that why aren't you on the schoolboy football scene?
Well, it's time still. It's time.
So will we be seeing you in the Dakar Cup next year?
Depends, guy. If we go to the World Cup, we can't go play. So depends. But I don't think so, because we're going to the World Cup.
Yeah, and you would be one of the best schoolboy footballers. Alright, so you are definitely one of the leaders of this team. In some of the preseason matches, we'd see you have the captain armband as well. Speak to us about your leadership role within this Jamaica team.
Well, I represent for the under 15 team, so the coaches give me that responsibility, so I take it.
Alright, going forward, what do you think this team can improve upon?
Well, it's just go to the drawing board and finishing. We're just finishing and we're okay, because we're solid everywhere, so we just want to learn to finish better.
Alright, good game again.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Yeah, man. Good game.